Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa said singer Zubeen Garg's death was not an accident, but a murder. The 52-year-old singer-composer died under mysterious circumstances while swimming in the sea in Singapore on September 19. After a preliminary probe, the Assam police were sure that it was not a case of culpable homicide, but it was a plain and simple murder. Sarma said that while speaking in Assam Assembly during an adjournment motion moved by the opposition to discuss the death of the singer, one of the accused killed Garg and other helped him. 4 or 5 people are being booked in the murder case, Sarma claimed. Listen in.
আমি জুবিনক লৈ ধেমালি কৰিব আহা নাই আমি জুবিনক লৈ ৰাজনীতি কৰিব আহা নাই জুবিনক ন্যায় প্ৰদানৰ কাৰণে যদি জুবিনৰ বিচাৰ লাগে অনুগ্ৰহ কৰি এসআইটি তদন্ত নোহোৱালৈকে এসআইটিৰ বিপক্ষে কথা কৈ তেওঁলোকক ডিমৰালাইজ নকৰিব যিদিনাখন তদন্ত ৰিপৰ্ট আহিব চাৰ্জশিট আহিব সিদিনাখন যদি কোনোবা উকিলে কয় দিছ ইজ এ উইক চাৰ্জশিট বেলেগ কথা কিন্তু আজি দিনটো যেতিয়া আমি দেখাই নাই চাৰ্জশিটখন কি হ'ব মোক এনেকে এটেক কৰিলে মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীয়ে কিয় হত্যা বুলি কৈছে আৰে দিছ ইজ অন ৰেকৰ্ড এখন কোৰ্টৰ ৰেকৰ্ডত আছে যে দিছ ইজ এ মাৰ্ডাৰ মইতো হত্যাই কম ইট ইজ এ মাৰ্ডাৰ মই আজিও এক সদনত কৈছো এণ্ড উইল ফলো মাৰ্ডাৰ কেছ আর কোনে মারিছে তাকো আজি আমি অনুমোদন লইছো এজনে মারিছে আনকেজনে সহযোগিতা কৰিছে so we have booked 4 to 5 people on murder.
All right, now I have Nibir Deka joining me with more details. Nibir, what more can you tell us on this big breaking development?
Well, absolutely. Today the revelation has been made by the Chief Minister during the Assam Legislative Assembly session when an adjournment motion was also filed again for Zubeen Garg, and the CM has clarified that Zubeen's case is the case of murder, and he has also stated that the police is investigating it as a murder case, and he also questioned the opposition not to politicize the issue until the charge sheet is filed by the SIT and the complete investigation is completed within the stipulated 90 days time. But the major point here is that the Chief Minister himself highlighted the fact that the case is a murder case, and that is the key point here, which he highlighted the floor of the assembly session ongoing currently in Assam.